Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 57 here. Here we have a diecast unboxing video of another Formula One car, but this time we have Lando Norris's Australian Grand Prix 2022 McLaren F1 car, which is the MCL36. Then on the back, around the back, it says the 2022 Australian Grand Prix with the car. And let's get Lando Norris out of the box. I just need to get rid of this tape. Sorry. I'm sorry if it's going to take a while. I think, you know what? I'm just going to peel it off. Peel the tape off. Yeah, that'd be better. Yeah, there we go. So here we have Lando Norris's car. Now, as you can see, when the F1 cars diecast are now in stores, they're usually in this glass case. But you can actually remove the car by removing this screw out, and you can still put the car on the base once the screw is removed. So obviously the McLaren team is, well, personally for me, is one of my favorite teams. So for me, finding this car, it was amazing. So one thing about the McLaren F1 cars is that the tires obviously are different. It looks like though now we have the soft tires on the McLaren. Actually, believe it or not. In my recent videos, the Mercedes, Ferrari, and Red Bull cars all had the medium compound tires. And also for the McLaren, they also have this Google Chrome tires in which there's a green, blue, red, and yellow, like Google Chrome. And McLaren's paint schemes, they still have the classic blue and orange color with now a bit of black, you know, just to decrease, to make their car go faster. And usually on the sides of these cars, they will have a sponsor here. But for the Australian Grand Prix, they didn't have that. They didn't use that sponsorship for the race. Obviously, Lando Norris is the number 4. You have the NBC logo, Dell, Hilton, and maybe an Android on the side here. And like I said, there was an Android here on the side. It can be used for some of the races, but most of the time it's usually replaced by another one of their sponsors. You still see you got the number 4 right there. I'll give you a nice 360 view of the case. And I think that'll be all for today's video. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more episodes will come out soon. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.